Hello there, welcome back to Cookies. Today I'm gonna make a tutorial inspired by one of your requests. It's going to be about wall run. But first I want to thank you for the support, including all the views, the likes and the comments on every video. And I especially want to thank you for the requests I receive, so keep it up, share to spread the word, subscribe, smash that bell icon, and who knows, you might see your request soon as well. So without further ado, let's get into wall run. What I have here is a very simple scene I made before. You can download it from the GitHub link down below, or you can make it yourself by just adding the things you need, which are the floor, nothing special about it, the wall, which just needs material, the player and its controls. If you want to learn to make these, you can check my tutorial on how to make character controls, and the physics of the character, which are make sure it's dynamic and make sure that it has collision bounds. Now you can see that I can look around, I can walk around, but I cannot climb up the wall, or neither I can walk on the wall. So let's do this now. So the first thing you want to do is, with your player selected, go to the logic editor and add a collision sensor. You want to specify by material, so click here, and you want to specify the material of the wall. That's why we needed the wall to have material. What this sensor will check for is it will tell whether or not the player is in collision with the wall. Alright, so next we need two end controllers, one for every side direction, so one for left and one for right. Then we want to connect the left sensor to one of the controllers and the right sensor to the other. And we want to have the two controllers connected to the collision sensor as well, both of them. So what this combination will do is it will tell whether or not I am pressing a side key, no matter if it's left or right, and I am in collision with the wall. So what will happen then if I press the side key and I'm in collision with the wall? So I will add a motion actuator, and I will tell my player to add force on itself in the Z vector. So basically I will tell it to go up. So here I will enter 20. I found out that this is a good number for our case, and I will just connect it to the two controllers. Alright, so if I press P to play, you can see that again I can look around, walk around, but when I touch the wall, I can climb on it and walk on it. It goes the same for the two directions, left and right, both of them. That's all for today's video. Thank you for the great suggestion. I hope I covered everything you wanted to know. Please let me know if you want me to make the same thing but with Python and not logic bricks. And of course, don't hesitate to hit me with another suggestion. I will be glad to play around it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and see you in the next one.